Greetings everyone, my name is Simone and I'm going to be your host on this fine evening. First and foremost, I just want to welcome everybody to my channel, and this is a fair warning to you that you should brace yourself because this is my first ever recorded audio video. So expect some pauses and definitely some kinks that I need to work out later on in the future, but if you're going to get started, you might as well get started eventually. So today's mission is going to be a drawing challenge. My wonderful, supportive, loving boyfriend decided to yeet me off of my comfort cliff with a 20-minute drawing challenge. I was definitely more realistic with myself. I'm not exactly Speedy Gonzalez, and my brain is pretty much comparable to a herd of sheep in an open field. Most of them are in place, but for some reason, Frank's in a rowboat down the stream. Unsure how he got there, but he's doing fine. So I ended up bumping up the time to 30 minutes to give myself a little bit of breathing room. But that didn't exactly go as planned. I'm kind of getting ahead of myself, but we'll get back to the main point. So today I am drawing a Firefly tea time. We are going to call this guy Jasper. Why? Because why not? We can. So pretty much Jasper, the story behind Jasper is he's a hard worker. He's always on duty and everything, but he really does enjoy the finer things in life. His mates right now are out and about, buzzing around, doing what fireflies do, working hard, dancing. But Jasper decided to be a little bit mischievous today and take a stolen moment, and he managed to sneak away from his nightly duties and enjoy a fresh cup of steeped tea before his night was out. At this point of the video, the timer was ticking way too fast for me, and frankly, once that alarm went off, bleep that. This is all about trial and error and failing and succeeding and just trying new things and pushing yourself and challenging yourself. So that's exactly what I did. I restarted the timer just because I kind of wanted to know where it was going to end, if I could maybe do it in double the amount of time, or just to get that vision out of my head and just to get those solid lines in. This is a sketchbook, so you can mess up as much as you want, put as much color as you want, put as much detail, use as much eraser, and that's one of the things that I find that I lost sight of with a lot of my sketchbooks. So one of the goals that I have for this channel is just to basically go back to old school doodling. Alright, I think I'm done rambling for the rest of this video. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of my quick sketch. I was able to get it completed within the hour, which I'm very happy with myself. What's the plan for the channel? I don't know. We'll see where it goes. We're definitely going to be doing a lot more sketchbook challenges and pushing ourselves to the level. So please come along for the journey. There'll probably be some major projects that I've been working on, and I already have a couple of other videos in the mix already brewing in the back pocket that I've just been too lazy to edit and afraid to post. But we take baby steps one at a time. Other than that, thank you very much for joining me, and catch me next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Bye.